Hey everybody, welcome to CryptoReality. What's going on in the market? Now let's dive in. Please be advised that I'm not your financial advisor and everything I'm gonna say here is based on the charts and my own opinion. So, who gets trapped here? In my past video, I've told you that this pattern may fill in the gap, which happens, right? So maybe we are going down right now. So if this going to be like this, we're gonna hold this and pump up one more, and this EMA is going down here, and your 200 EMA we're gonna cross down. The question is, where will it headed? I have two possible scenarios here. Maybe we are going like this around this area of $1 a dollar mark, which will have this support or even lower, and my price target still the 0.9596 area. So while your prices is going down, I want to see the RSI going on the uptrend, so we can see some bullish divergence pattern right here, and maybe we're gonna go on for a full year of chip shop sideways like that. I don't know, and maybe in the late 2028 to early 2029 could be the bull market top, just like we've seen in the past history. Okay, so now I'm learning that I'm going to go out in the 2029 peak, no matter what the other says, that this time this bullshit is different. Okay, this time I'm going to take on my personal analysis. Okay, so this is just my idea for XRP that I want to share to you. Okay, look at this. Your blue line is near your red line, which tends to have some bearish death cross. Okay, so don't get trapped in here. Also look at your US dollar dominance. It looks like still in the bull flag. 20 EMA, this blue line here is now supporting those fall off trend, right? I've mentioned this in my past video. And look at this. If we're gonna go on this bull flag, let's measure this up. Alright, maybe I'm gonna go on here. So I'm expecting some pump to 9.83, 9.38. I don't know how high can it go, but all I can see is another pump, just like it did here. Okay, it pumps, right? And it goes on this sideways momentum like this. So if we're gonna see this in your US dollar dominance here, I'm gonna expect the base from your cryptocurrencies. Okay, not just XRP but all cryptocurrencies here. So maybe we're gonna go up here and then chip chop sideways in the full year 2027, then 2028 maybe it starts to come back down. Okay, and then we're gonna talk about that again. Okay, so going on here, let's go on to your Bitcoin US dollars. Yeah, saying this is still a bear flag. Okay, okay, and that's all you can see here. We can go all the way up here and then down. Okay, just like that. Still the price target, still the same. It may go lower, alright, but my minimal target here is this 54,000 to 52,000 US dollar for Bitcoin as your bottom. And all I want to see here, if that happens, of course, is still the bullish divergence when your price is going down and then your RSIs continue to go like this. It's uptrend here and this one is a lower trend here. Okay, if you're gonna see that pattern again, that's a signal that you can stock up your cryptocurrencies. Okay, another one here. This is 2 US dollar dominance. versus US dollar. Okay. Okay. I don't know if I can adjust this one to this one. Maybe it can, because we still have this and this and also this one. So maybe, yeah, okay, let's see that. Also this one can fill in the gap right here. Okay, I don't know if it can go lower like here, a fake out, then just like that, maybe somewhere like that for Sui. And of course my target here could be around this $2 mark. Okay, somewhere around this region area, I don't know, or even higher. I hope it goes higher, because maybe if it tends to break this trend line right here. Wait, what? I can see this one. Okay, maybe this one. Yep, maybe we can see another, this one, $5 again. Maybe this one is a double top. Okay, and that tends to be somewhere like this, pumping here and then pump and then drop, just like that. Okay, so this is a long-term vision to me, just sharing you, just saw that this right now. And lately engine token pumps a little. Okay, it pumps a little. So looking at this, I also hold this coin, by the way. Look at the daily time frame here. Don't just get trapped here, okay, because this one looks like it's gonna come back down. Okay, so it looks like this, so come back down here before another maybe consolidation here. I don't know, somewhere like that. So the question is, where will it go? Look at this. This is my $0.02. Oh, maybe you don't mind this one, so let's proceed to another one. Let's go on Algorand. Yep, this one is a nice token also. Look at this. Look at this chart, okay? We are currently respecting all of this resistance in this trend line, and now this is your support trend line, right? Are you with me, guys? Here, look at this: resistance, 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 and then resistance. But now this is a support line, right? Isn't it great? Like this. And also this is a bullish pennant, right? So maybe we can see another pump here. You can see this one, then pump, and then another drop, just like that, maybe before another blast off to the upside. You can all see that. Look at this, it also breaks, right? It also breaks this one and then a retest. The question is, are we going to go up, or maybe this one is a fake out and we can come back them all the way down here and continue the sideways momentum? Maybe it's not yet time for this one to pumps, right? But I guess this one is not yet finished. Who's holding Algorand here? Me, by the way. All I can see here is some rejections here, right? So maybe this one is an ABC move and then come back down, right? And then maybe some sideways, just like that. Maybe I'm seeing this one as a bearish one. Okay, I'm not going to hype you anyways. 200 EMA is gonna be your resistance. So if it pumps, it can got rejected to these 200 EMAs right here. Okay, and then come back down here. Okay. So another one, let's talk about XLM. XLM is a nice chart also. right? Very, very nice chart, because this one is your biggest triangle, the nice triangle. And by the way, my target could be 1.36, as this triangle ends in some way here. But if I'm gonna adjust this one to this one, maybe we can get somewhere like this, a dollar for XLM. Maybe I'm gonna put it here, the dollar mark for XLM, so we can catch up the decent profit that we have if you invested in here right now. Also, XLM already crossed this one, right? You already crossed this one, that cross. Now I'm waiting for the end game, just like we did here. We cross, and maybe we are here, right? We are just kind of here. And look at this, it goes down, right? And your RSI right here, look at this, your RSI right here is creating a double bottom. Okay, this one is a downtrend, this one is a double bottom, right? That's nice. So what I am seeing here right now is we go down, okay, to this level, and then we're gonna create some double bottom again in your RSI. Okay, I hope you're with me. So my target for XLM could be this one, 0.11. Okay, 0.11, because we have this resistance over here, supports over here, resistance over here. So maybe that's just the best support. Okay, another one is Hbar. You can't go wrong with these tokens, you know. Also this one, the blue line crosses the red line, the dead cross already happened. So why not XRP and Bitcoin though? So I'm expecting Hbar to go down also here, so we can fulfill all of this trend line in your triangle, right? So what's the price target here? Okay, let me show you this one. Yeah, this one, 0.05 level, which, or maybe I'm gonna go at higher, yeah, like that, because as you can see, you can have this resistance, support, okay, support, and then resistance here. I won't elaborate more, but this is just my idea here. Look at your RSI, still an uptrend, just like what we did here. Look at this double bottom also, right? This one, double bottom also. Yep, double bottom also. Well, this one is a downtrend. Okay, so that's just what I want to see here. Maybe this one is a double bottom here, just like that, and the prices is going down here. Okay, and what's my price target for Hbar in the past? Okay, let me see this one. Let me remove this one. Okay, how can I measure this one? This one could be okay. Honestly, I don't have any price prediction for Hbar yet. Maybe I'm gonna tell you that in the next video that I'm going to make. Okay, so right now this is it for this one. Hope you learned something here. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for me. God bless and bye bye.